Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. A lot of youth have asked me to do a nutshell about the Char Lama. 4. Now, before we go into that, I would recommend that we should study Guru Granth Sahib Ji. It's on page 773 in the rag called Suhi, composed by the fourth Nanak, Shri Guru Ram Das Ji. When we are talking about the four Lama, we are talking about, of course, the man and the woman, their grast jivan, family life, their bonding, their merger. But individually, each of us trying to connect, to link, to bond, and to merge with the divine. So the first law, Maharaj says, Har Pehlari law Parvirti Karam Dridaya Balramjiyo. It basically means duties. Now, look, there are certain things which men can do very well, and there are certain things which women can do very well. I am totally in favor of woman equality. We are not talking about disequality here, but there are certain things each gender can do very well. So we have to figure out so that we complement rather than we are competing for the same thing. So the basis for that is proper communication. So any relationship needs proper communication. So develop the art, the science, and the technique to communicate effectively with your partner. Har dujri lao Sadgur Purakh Milaya Balram Jiyo. That means bringing divine or bringing Guru to the daily life. Now, Gu means darkness, Ru means light. So Guru Nanak Dev Ji says in Asa ki War, जैसो चंदा उगवे सूरज चढ़े हजार एते चानन hundiyan gurbin koranda. See, outside we have one sun and there is so much light, and you can see that I'm recording in natural light in the evening. So Maharaji says that if there is 100 moon, 1,000 sun, there will be tremendous light outside, but a person can be totally dark inside without the Guru. So the Guru gives you the light, the Guru gives you the marg, the Guru gives you the way, the Guru gives you the wisdom, the Guru walks with you. So bringing divine into the relationship is very important, because then you are in a mode of gratitude, you are in a mode of grace, divinity, and you surrender. That's the way, that's the reason we matha take when we go to Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji in the Gurdwara. That means I have lived according to my intellect, according to my knowledge, and I'm come here to surrender it in your holy feet. And please impart in me your knowledge and your wisdom. And Guru's knowledge and Guru's wisdom is always good. Now, the third law is describing the Har Tijri law, Man Chao Bea Bairagya Balramjiyo. That means we have to have affection. Now, affection is just like the longing, the desire. Affection is much better than perfection. See, perfection is when you're looking at faults of other person, and affection is when you are looking at the soul or looking at the heart. So we have to have affection rather than perfection. When I met Dalai Lama, he told me, what is love? Love is absence of judgment. So when our mind ceases to exist, we are not judgmental. We are on the basis of our soul. Then we are in true love. And compassion is flowering of our love. So we should develop the art and science of unconditional love and compassion. The fourth law talks about the merger. Har Chauthri law, Prapaya Abhinasi. That means you have got what you wanted to achieve. So you have merged. From the husband and wife perspective, when the Lama is starting, before that the Paisab is reading a Shabad. Tanso Tanpir Kaye Nanka, Ban Kathe Doe, Ek Jot Doi Murti Tanpir Kaye Soy. That means as a two distinct body, we will always exist. Now, if I sew the bodies, let's say over here with needle and thread, husband and wife, I mean, one has to go to a job, the other has to go to another job. It's physically impossible. One has to go to bathroom, the other doesn't. So that physical stitching will not last for long. What we need to stitch is the mind and the soul. So that's the art and science of perfect relationship, when you are blending or merging with the mind and the soul. Now, while doing this, we have to merge with the Supreme Soul or Param Atma or Divine. And the art and science over there is one has to be a bright soul. इस जग में पुरख एक है और सगली नार सवाय. Guru Nanak Dev Ji says that in the whole world there is only one man, and that's him, capital H I him. You can call God, Ishwar, Allah, Parmeshwar, Rahim, Kareem, Vaheguru, whatever name you want to give. And we individually has to be bright soul, longing affectionately to go, to merge, and then the merger can happen during the lifetime. So this is the art and science which we have to develop from the four lama. Of course, you need to build on this. It's not a easy task. It has rough turns, twists, bumps, rides, but one has to have commitment, compassion, laughter, love, respect, honesty, integrity, forgiveness, friendship, and other qualities. The journey can be taken together. And I wish you all the best. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.